Welcome. Let me take you on an intriguing journey today, one that might just surprise you. What if I told you that a simple kitchen staple, something most of us have at home, could actually transform your life? It might sound a little far-fetched, but bear with me. We're diving into the unexpected benefits of salt. Yes, salt. And how putting it in your shoes could lead to a profound shift in your day-to-day life. Now you might be wondering, what's so special about salt in your shoes? At first it might seem a bit strange, even borderline quirky. But trust me, by the end of this, you'll see why this unconventional practice could be much more than just another random life hack. Stick with me as we explore this unique path to self-discovery and healing. Let's start by talking about salt itself. It's one of the oldest and most common substances in the world, yet we often overlook its power. For thousands of years, humans have relied on salt for various purposes. From preserving food to healing wounds, salt has served us in countless ways. Despite its widespread use, we tend to take it for granted. But there's more to salt than meets the eye. Across cultures and spiritual traditions, salt is seen as having energy-cleansing properties. It's believed to ground the body and mind, repel negative energy, and purify spaces. All of this makes salt far more significant than just a kitchen ingredient. Now let's dive into the idea of putting salt in your shoes. Think about it for a second. We all experience days when we're overwhelmed, stressed out, or simply exhausted. Whether it's the pressures of work, the constant balancing act between family and personal life, or just the everyday stresses that pile up, it's easy to get stuck in a cycle of fatigue and worry. Sometimes, we just need something to help us break out of that exhausting loop. That's where salt comes in. At first, the thought of placing salt in your shoes might seem a little odd, but it's worth considering. The beauty of this simple act is that it offers a natural way to recharge and rejuvenate your energy. It might sound too simple to be effective, but adding salt to your shoes could help ease stress, improve your focus, and even enhance your overall health. Let's break down why that works. Salt has long been used not only for practical purposes, but also for its metaphysical properties. It's believed to have grounding powers, which means it can help center your mind and stabilize your energy. When you place salt in your shoes, you're essentially inviting these grounding benefits into your daily routine. The salt acts as a kind of energetic buffer, absorbing negative emotions and offering a sense of calm. It's almost like creating your own portable sanctuary, a small protective space under your feet that goes with you wherever you go. Imagine walking through your day with a subtle reminder to stay grounded, to release tension, and to focus on the present moment. As you go about your business, the salt under your feet acts like a gentle nudge, encouraging you to stay calm and centered despite whatever chaos might be happening around you. Over time, this simple act can have a noticeable effect on your overall well-being. You might start to feel less anxious, less stressed, and more at ease in your day-to-day life. It's one of those tiny adjustments that could have a huge impact on your mental and emotional state. Let me share a story to illustrate just how powerful this can be. Meet Sarah. She had a busy, demanding lifestyle, constantly juggling work, family responsibilities, and personal struggles. Every day left her feeling drained, and by the time she reached the end of her to-do list, she often felt completely out of balance. One day, while scrolling through the internet, she stumbled upon the idea of putting salt in your shoes. At first, she thought it was a little silly, but she was willing to try anything to feel better. So she decided to give it a shot and added a handful of salt to her shoes. To her surprise, something changed. It wasn't an instant miracle, but over time she began to feel lighter, more energized, and less burdened. As she walked through her days, the stress seemed to melt away. Her focus sharpened, and she felt a renewed sense of joy in the little things. The act of putting salt in her shoes didn't just change her physical state. It had a deeper impact. It was about regaining her mental peace and taking control of her life again. The salt had helped her reconnect with herself. So why does this work? It's not just about solving an immediate problem. It's about connecting with something deeper within. In a world where we're constantly bombarded with distractions, stress, and information overload, it's easy to overlook the simple solutions that could have the biggest impact. Salt in your shoes is a small act, but it opens the door to a deeper sense of peace and balance. It's an opportunity to reset, to find a moment of calm amid the chaos, and to reconnect with what really matters. Let's dig a bit deeper into the science behind this. Salt is a naturally occurring crystal, and it has a strong connection to the earth. This connection is key to its grounding properties. When you place salt in your shoes, you're essentially inviting this earth energy into your body. The idea is that salt helps balance your energy, creating a sense of stability and calm. It also serves as a barrier, protecting you from negative energy that could otherwise drain you. This could be especially helpful in today's fast-paced world, where it's easy to feel out of control or disconnected from your own energy. Another benefit of using salt in your shoes is its physical properties. Salt is great at absorbing moisture, which means it can help keep your feet dry and comfortable as you move throughout your day. No more sweaty feet or discomfort. Keeping your feet dry can also reduce aches and pains, making it easier to stay active and on your feet without feeling weighed down. Integrating this particular technique into your daily routine may seem like a bit of a mystery at first, especially if you're unfamiliar with Zen practices or similar rituals. However, once you understand how simple and accessible it really is, you'll see that it's a practice that can easily become part of your day, no matter your experience level. This technique is about something as simple as putting salt in your shoes, a surprisingly easy task that may have significant benefits for your physical and mental well-being. To start, all you need is a pair of shoes that you wear often. This could be your favorite sneakers, your reliable work shoes, or any shoes you find comfortable enough to wear for a whole day. Choose shoes that you're already familiar with and enjoy wearing, ones that won't feel too heavy or awkward with salt inside them. Next, take a small amount of coarse sea salt, about a teaspoon, and sprinkle it evenly across the soles of the shoes. The goal here isn't to pile on a large amount of salt, but to spread it out thinly and evenly so that it covers the bottom of the shoes lightly. You should be able to feel a faint presence of the salt as you walk, but not enough to be uncomfortable or distracting. Once you've applied the salt, simply slip on your shoes and go about your day as you normally would. Depending on what you feel you need in terms of grounding or spiritual cleansing, you can leave the salt in your shoes for a few hours, or you might opt to leave it in all day. The flexibility of this practice is one of its greatest strengths. This simple act can be easily incorporated into your daily routine, and the benefits are both physical and spiritual. As you go about your usual activities, take a few moments to check in with yourself. Notice how the sensation of the salt under your feet affects your body and mind. With each step, do you feel more grounded, as though you are more connected to the earth beneath you? In the midst of your regular routine, can you sense a subtle shift toward a feeling of stability and calmness? Even though you might be dealing with the usual stresses of the day, you could find that the act of grounding yourself in this way helps you maintain a sense of serenity. Over time, you may notice that this simple practice begins to shift your overall attitude and outlook. While the effects may start out small, almost unnoticeable, they can grow over time and have a more significant impact on the way you approach challenges or even how you interact with others. The salt itself serves as a quiet, gentle reminder to stay present and aware as you go about your day. It helps you to release some of the tension, stress, and mental clutter that often weigh you down, allowing you to be more focused on what truly matters. By encouraging you to tune into your body's sensations and pay attention to how you feel as you move through the day, this small ritual can make a big difference in how you handle the ups and downs that come your way. The more you practice this technique, the more you may discover that it promotes a calm, centered state of mind. It encourages you to slow down and approach each moment with greater intention, rather than reacting mindlessly or being swept away by the current of everyday life. However, it's important to remember that not everyone will resonate with this practice, and that's completely okay. For some people, the idea of putting salt in their shoes might feel strange, uncomfortable, or even unsettling. Others might feel that this kind of ritual doesn't align with their personal beliefs or lifestyle, and that's perfectly valid. The beauty of this technique lies in its flexibility. It's not something that has to work for everyone, and that's what makes it so adaptable. If you're open to exploring something new, try this practice for a few days. Pay attention to how it makes you feel and be honest with yourself about your experience. If after trying it out, you feel that it doesn't provide the sense of grounding or peace you're looking for, there's no need to force yourself to continue. Simply set it aside and explore other practices that may resonate with you more deeply. On the other hand, if you do start to notice subtle changes, such as feeling more balanced, calmer, or better able to handle the stress of daily life, you may have found a small but powerful tool that can help improve your emotional and mental well-being. Sometimes the most unexpected practices can have the biggest impact on how we feel, and the key is to stay open to discovering new methods for improving our health and sense of self. While putting salt in your shoes might initially seem unusual or even a little quirky, it could become a surprisingly effective ritual for improving your overall mental and emotional health. The benefits of this simple practice are profound in their subtlety. By reducing stress and promoting a more centered, grounded feeling, it can help you approach each day with greater clarity and optimism. Over time, you might find that this small action leads to a big shift in your outlook on life, helping you cultivate a more balanced and peaceful way of being. I really encourage you to try this practice and see what happens. It requires no special tools, no fancy equipment, just a little salt and an open mind. Whether you're feeling stressed, tired, or just need a way to reconnect with yourself, this could be the simple solution you've been looking for. If you decide to give it a try, I'd love to hear how it goes. Did you notice any changes in your mood or energy levels? Did it make you feel more grounded or calm throughout the day? Sharing your experience might encourage others to try it as well, especially if they're looking for a new and easy way to improve their well-being. In today's fast-paced world, it's all too easy to get caught up in the rush of daily tasks and forget to take care of ourselves. But sometimes, the smallest acts of self-care can have the most profound effects. Taking just a few minutes to try something as simple as putting salt in your shoes can be a small but meaningful gift to yourself. This small gesture can help you feel more focused, more grounded, and more at peace, which ultimately leads to greater emotional and mental well-being. As you continue through your day, remember that even the tiniest actions can have a big impact on how you feel. Whether it's through a simple ritual like this one, taking a few deep breaths, or simply stopping for a moment to appreciate the beauty around you, each of these small gestures of self-care can add up to make a big difference in your overall state of well-being. I'm really glad you're here, exploring this journey of self-awareness and growth. I hope that, like me, you find this practice both interesting and beneficial in your quest for balance and inner peace. In the meantime, take care of yourself, stay grounded, and remember to embrace each moment.